Hello YouTube, welcome to part 3 of rebuilding this. We've got a thermometer. That's out of our old smoker. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about. When they had a gas burn, and you could take the center out, use it for a barbecue or a smoker. You could still find them on Amazon or even once in a while, but they were pretty tall, that brand. I got mine at a Shill Sporting Good place, but the battery's low, so let's get this clip real short. Here's our problem. See the legs? See how this one's bent over? Well, we're going to go get our vise outer because it used to be mounted on here, so that's what we're going for. But we're going to straighten them, put them on, and we should be done. The grates are starting to get a little flash rust. All that's clean. We have a tarp up here now. I do have a quick clip of that. We'll do that in our next Sunday in the shop. It is a lot cooler in here, but right now the sun is really beating on that plastic. There's a lot of heat right there, so excuse the dryer in the background. So let's take a break. When we come back, we'll have our legs straightened, and you get a preview of what the vise looks like mounted. Okay, we got these claws, okay, but we have to re-weld these. Look at that. Will it focus? I think you can see it good enough. I'll take a picture of it. It's not even hardly welded. We're going to totally re-weld these rods. Okay, here's our pull-out drawer at the bottom. Here's where the rack goes that holds the charcoal. Can you see where I oiled it and didn't oil it? Just wire brushed. And I even put oil on the outside. Just corn oil. I do not like vegetable oil. I have my reasons, and that's the bottom how good it is, and this goes inside, so it wasn't real hot because just the ashes dropped down. You have a grate for the coals, but there you get kind of an idea. Especially if you're going to store away a wood stove or something, you know, you can always oil it, but I just like corn oil. You can use what you want, but you can tell the difference. No oil and oil. Okay, let's move on to something else. We're almost done. My voice is going away on me. Okay, we are done. Make sure, I always say, make sure you look at all the pictures and stuff I didn't talk about. Thanks for watching this 3-parter. I tried not to make them too long, but it's all oiled. Outside, don't forget the bottom. I just used corn oil, then I wiped it off with another towel. So it's oiled and buffed off so it's not a heavy coat, but she looks brand new. I like my own design for the wooden handle. There you go. We're out of here. We'll have a video soon about barbecuing burgers.